Welcome to Amruta's Kitchen and Beauty YouTube channel. Material required: bread, suji rava, salt, curd. Take the fresh bread and make it pieces and grind into powder. Take suji rava and mix it with bread powder, add curd and salt. Take idli prepared batter into idli pans and boil with idli pan cooker. Tasty bread idli is ready to serve. Thanks for watching this videos. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel Amruta's Kitchen and Beauty for upcoming latest recipes and updates.